Today's video, I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go! Hi guys, and welcome back on this YouTube channel. I'm very happy to have you here. If you don't know me, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm French, I live in Spain, in Barcelona, and I sell bags and luxury bags and accessories with my website, bamluxurystore.com. You have every information in the description below. You have the links, everything. I've launched my French YouTube channel 2 years ago, and I decided to create my English YouTube channel a few months ago. So welcome here. Don't forget to subscribe and to like this video and to ask for anything. Everything is available on the website right now. You can buy directly on the website. We ship worldwide. We have free delivery for Europe, well, Mondial Relais. Otherwise, we ship with UPS and DHL. We do not cover customs, but as everyone else. And well, what else? I think this is all. But we are going to start with the first item I want to show you. And this is this amazing Chanel pouch. This is a very gold pouch. I would say this is a very smooth leather. You have scratches on the front and on the back of the pochette, more on the back actually. Otherwise, the condition is good. You can see like the corners are a bit dry, but otherwise that's fine. The inside now is in good condition. We can see that it used to have like a sticker here, but it's not anymore, I'm sorry. But the interior is quite well. It's a beige, smooth leather. We have a Chanel, we have everything. And the price for this one is 219 euro. This is a very cute pouch for an everyday basis or whatever, but it's a very, very cute one, and it's available right now on the website. Okay, let's continue with the other item I have, and this is a Louis Vuitton monogram long wallet. And this one is in very good condition, and this one is very special. You're gonna see why. The canvas monogram is very good. The pressure button works well, actually. And we have a surprise. Ta-da! This is a very specific long wallet because it's not with a zip and it opens vertically. So you have lots of spots for cards. You have another pocket here in very good condition. You can attach whatever you want here. We can see like the pressure button has made a mark, but it's usual. Then you have the coin section here, which is a bit dirty, but it's fine. It's not that big deal. We have another pocket on this side. This is actually very huge for a long wallet, and the price is amazing. It's 170 euro. I'm gonna add every time the USD price approximately because it can change almost every day. When you go on the website, you can either pay in euro or in your own currency usually. So do not hesitate. If you have any questions anyway, let me know in the comment or let us know by the chat on the website. We are replying as soon as we can. Another small item I have here. I will go through the bags after. I'm gonna go through first this item. So it's a Louis Vuitton. We had the box, and as you can see, this is a small, it's a PM agenda monogram. So I'm very excited. This one is very cool. We have a very nice Kenda, nothing to say about it. It's in very good condition. And when you open it, you can see as well that the inside is in good condition. We have a little damage here with scratch and a little bit here, as well as the metal parts made some little marks, but it's not that a big deal. And if you are interested, I made links in the description here to buy the inserts for the agenda of a small size. So you have to-do, agenda, whatever, lots of stuff linked in the description. Go check it. I linked everything. So this one is 161 euros. So this is actually a very nice price. And you have the box, so you can make like a very cute gift. Okay, we're gonna go for now another item I want to show you, and you're gonna be as excited as I am because it's a Dior, as you can see, this bag. This is not a brand new one, as you can see with this bag. But we have a very exciting one because this is a perfect handbag for spring, summer, guys. So for this one, we have a strap. The color is kind of fuchsia between pink and red, I would say. Silver hardware, very good condition for this bag. We have little scratches on the top handles, but otherwise the condition of this bag is just insane. We have like a little damage here, but it's very little. Otherwise, the bag is in such a good condition. I would say this is almost brand new. And the inside, well, you can wear the bag also like this, which makes it like very trendy actually. And you have 3 large pockets. So you have 1 large pocket here, one with a zipper inside here, and another one on the side here. This is very huge. The inside is amazing. It's in a kind of nylon fabric, gray, and it's very huge. This is a very good condition. I am pretty admirative of the condition. No, the condition of this one is pristine, like very, very good condition. I'm very happy. It's a very good one. And the price, guys, let me tell you, it's a very amazing price. We are at 930 euro. This is nothing for a Dior bag. Let me tell you, this is such a nice one. I really hope you're gonna enjoy this bag as much as I do, and that it's gonna be sold very quickly. And this is a perfect color for spring, summer. So the last one I want to show you, we already had it with us and it was sold very, very quickly. So I was able to find another one. This is pretty rare to do this, but I was so lucky. We had the dust bag, it's a Louis Vuitton. And as you can see, this is the Montaigne bag. We have everything, it's as new. We have the strap, obviously, for this amazing baby bag. The conda is in amazing condition. We have the leather parts a bit caramelized. It starts to caramelize, but it's very few. The top handles are in very good condition. You have very few marks here, but otherwise nothing. Inside is very good condition. We have 3 different type of pockets. We have still the padlock and keys here. And no, everything looks gorgeous. The inside is in suede leather, violet color. We have the sticker, we have the tag, serial number. Even the leather parts here looks brand new, still not very caramelized. It's insane. I really love it. Like, you have lots of space for this one, and you can close the bag to attach it. So it's actually such a fancy bag. I don't know what you're thinking about this one, but this is one of my favorites. And for the price, it's exactly the same as the one we had a few weeks ago, 1,669 euro. If you want it, go get it very quickly on the website. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for buying with us. You are more and more. We already sold to the US a few times, Mauritius, lots of different islands. We sold to the UK, Switzerland, Belgium, France, Spain, Germany, Sweden, Netherlands. It's actually insane because it's worldwide. So thank you so much again for your trust. I'm really, really, really happy. I hope you enjoy my videos and I will see you for the next one. Bisous, bye.